Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can find draft reels with your Instagrams. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes. Be sure to write comments, pause. And let's get started. And open up the Instagram app, of course, on your phone. And then go to your page. And then you need to click on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. And then select Reel. The next thing you'll see, there's a section at the top here called Drafts. Click on that. And here you'll see absolutely every reel that you've left in your drafts. Then click on a video like this. And you can either publish it straight away, or you can click Edit. And then you can edit it however you want. For example, trim it, change the music, add text, and so on. There's also another option, where you can find your reel in your drafts is also on your page. Go to the Reels section. And here you'll have all the reels already exposed on your page, as well as the draft. And you can also open it immediately and further edit it. So these are the two ways, friends, you can easily find the draft reels on your Instagram. I really hope this video was helpful for you and helped you. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.